Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Knife Survival. Well, it's been a minute since my last video, and I apologize. But today we're going to be talking about this Ontario Blackbird. This is a knife that I had wanted for a very, very long time. Just never got around to getting one. And I finally picked one up via the secondary market because these are not in production anymore. Even though they still have the newer ones in stock at places. This is the original Blackbird in 154 CM steel. And they have the newer versions in S35 VN. And they also have an ML5, which is in HC. 420 HC, excuse me. But this has always been a classic knife. I've always adored the looks of this with the micarta handles. The drop point blade. Just was always a knife that I wanted to pick up, and I finally got my hands on one for a half decent price because they're they're getting pretty pricey out there. Even when they were in production, they were pricey. But this is the sheath that comes with it. This is the this is one of the originals. The I forget what they used to call these. Just has the single snap with the Molly compatibility to the sheath. I like the newer sheaths because they have the double snaps. It's always nice to have a double retention. But if you guys don't know about the Blackbirds, they have 5-inch blades, drop point, 154 CM steel. The stock on these are like an 1/8 inch stock, so it's on the thin side in comparison to some of the newer survival knives that are out there. This is a flat grind, as you can see. Fits the hand pretty well. The contour of the handles are pretty nice. Very similar to the Rat series type knives that Ontario had. I don't know if Ontario is still making knives or they have someone else making their knives now, but there's still stock statuses out there of their knives. You can get the hatchets still. Some of the Blackbirds that are in S35 VN. Some of the Rats are still out there. So, before they go away to the wayside, if you're interested in Ontario knives and you like them, I mean, I've always loved Ontarios. I would pick some up before they're gone to the wind, and they're only in the secondary market. But this is just a great knife. I've always loved this knife. USA made. It says there on the tang. It's just a great company. I'm really upset that they went away. But hopefully there'll still be someone else will pick up the production. So that's how it sits in the sheath. It's just a nice knife, man. I also love the Rat series, and here I'll do a comparison. Here I have a one of my daily carries, Joker Lynx, and you can see about the stock. The stock's a little thinner than the Lynx. You really can't tell on video, but it's about a 1/16 thinner. There's a size comparer. The Lynx has a 4-inch blade. I just so happen to have two Jokers here, so I'm just doing a comparison with these. This is the Nesmuck. What I've noticed about the Ontario is it has a straight spine. The top of that knife is just completely straight. But they're great knives. This one shows some usage. It's got some usage on the micarta. And for durability, you can't beat micarta handles. They're just like, they're bulletproof. But I'll talk to you guys next time. Let's see. I'll talk to you guys next time. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm running a little blank on where I want to head this channel to. So give me some advice in the comments below. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.